Here we will see hybrid inheritance in Python. The hybrid inheritance is a combination of other types of inheritance. Mostly it is a combination of multi-level and multiple inheritance. Here the class is derived from the two classes as in multiple inheritance. However, one of the parent class is not the base class. It is a derived class, which satisfies the requirement of implementing a code that needs multiple inheritances in implementation. Here class B inherits class A, which defines single inheritance, and class D inherits class B and class C, which defines multiple inheritance. General syntax for defining hybrid inheritance is class A, then block of statements, then class B inherits class A, which follows single inheritance, then block of statements for class B, then class C block of statements, and then class D, which inherits B and C, which follows multiple inheritance, and then block of statements. Here we will write a program to explain working of hybrid inheritance. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Here first we will define class A, and here we will define method display, which will print in class A. Then we will define class B, which inherits A. Here we will define another method display1. Then here we will call the method display from the superclass using super keyword. So super.display, and then we will print the message in class B. Then we will define class C, and here we will define method display2, and here we will print in class C. Then we will define another class D, which inherits B and C. And here we will define method display3. Here first we will call the method display1 from the class B. Then we will call method display2 from class C, and we will print the message in class D. Then we will create object of our class D, and we will call the method display3. Then we will save it, and we will execute it. It will print in class A, in class B, in class C, and in class D. Here we have defined class A, then class B, which inherits class A, then class C, and class D, which inherits B and C.